Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be installing HACS, the Home Assistant Community Store. This will give us additional custom add-ons. Let's begin. Open your internet browser and search for Home Assistant HACS. Click on the GitHub link. Click Code, then download zip. Locate and extract the zip file. Now we need to copy the extracted folder to Home Assistant. To do this, you will need the Samba add-on. Please check out my earlier video on installing Samba. Open your search bar and type the IP address of your Home Assistant computer. Open the config folder. Copy over the custom components folder from the zip file we downloaded earlier. Once copied over, we need to restart Home Assistant. In Home Assistant, click on Configuration. Scroll down and click Server Controls, then Restart. Once restarted, go back to Configuration and click Integration. Click Add Integration. Now search for HACS. Accept the settings and click Submit. Now we need to create an account to give Home Assistant permission to communicate with GitHub. Click on the provided link. Create an account. Insert a username, email address, and password. Now you need to verify your account. Now click Create Account. Scroll down and click Complete Setup. This screen is asking for device activation. Let's go back to Home Assistant and retrieve the code. Copy the provided code and paste it in GitHub. Click Authorize HACS. Go back to Home Assistant and click Finish. HACS is now installed to Home Assistant. Now let's look at some of the custom add-ons HACS provides. Click HACS on the Side tab and then Integrations. Click Explore and add repositories. As you scroll through there are numerous additional add-ons that can be installed. Thank you for watching my video. In my next video, I will be installing Sonic devices like this one using custom Alex IT add-on provided through HACS. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Oh, and one more thing, remember to hit that bell so you get notified whenever we post a video.